Hi everyone, this is going to be a quick overview on all the new features and updates we've recently released. And let's start with scale. We've changed our scale a little bit, so right now when you go to your manual scale, you will have two tabs, preset and calibrate. Preset tab is basically your scale tab where you can set a scale which is provided on your drawing. For example, 1 to 100. There is also a page size. Typically, you would need to keep it automatic because the system understands the page size that you're using. It's for rare cases when you would need to change anything, you would need to still select a page size, but typically you will still need to go with this auto-selected page size, which system provides. You can also here select pages you're going to be scaling. You can select current page, you can select all pages of all files that are uploaded in this project. You can also select all pages of this file, and you can select pages. If you click on select pages, you will be able to select the pages you will be working with. You will be scaling. And yes, I will, for example, select this page. I can switch to a different unit system. If I click on scale settings, I can switch from metric to imperial here. And I'll just click apply scale, and the scale will be applied to this drawing. Calibrate stays the same. You just need to draw a line where your scale is, for example, dimension line, or for example, here I have a scale, one click, another click, and this is going to be 1 meter. So the logic here stays all the same. Again, you select the page that you will be scaling and apply scale. That's how it's done. We have also added a page switcher here. So right now you don't have to open the pages from File Manager. You can just click on these little arrows here and you will be switching between the pages like that. Or you can type in the page that you want to open, for example, 1 out of 12, and the first page will be automatically opened. So this is just for a quicker switching between pages. We also have one new update related to navigation. So previously you needed to press and hold your middle mouse button to move the drawing. Right now you can press your right button and you will be able to still move the drawing, to drag it around. If you're using touchpad or trackpad, you just, for example, I'm using trackpad, I'm just pressing 2 fingers and now I can move with 2 fingers, or as it previously was, you can just press spacebar and move it like that. So a lot of different ways: middle mouse button, right mouse button, space plus trackpad, or 2 fingers on the trackpad. We're also trying to make working with Assemblies database more convenient. So right now, for example, I have this ceramic tile group here. Right now, if I start creating measurement within that group, for example, let's measure tile here. In the menu on the right side, I will be already able to select an item or assembly from my Assemblies database. So previously you just had this little menu here and you will later apply something from the Assemblies database. Right now, you can work with database from this little menu. What you can do here, you can create any item from scratch. So you can basically start creating your formulas, text, numbers right here. So creating your item, or you can apply one from your Assemblies database, for example, this ceramic tile assembly, and it will be applied once you create your measurements. And the last but not the least update is going to be about exporting PDF. We've added additional option here. It's called separate layer. Here you can select how to separate your layers when you export your PDF. For example, I can do it layer by folder, and I'm going to show you in a moment how it looks like. I will click export PDF. It will be exported, and let's see how it looks like.